All right, last video in our second to last week of 7th grade. You guys rocked it. You're doing so awesome. I'm very pleased with your work. I know it's been a really difficult time and probably hard to stay positive and keep going and find motivation, but you did it. You've got 1 week to go after today. Hang in there. You guys can do this. So today we're using what we know of vertical, complementary, and supplementary angles to find all of these angles in this picture, which seems a little overwhelming, but super easy if you just take it one piece at a time, kind of like life. Math teaches us so much about life. So one piece at a time. Easiest angles to find are vertical angles. So I have this angle right here that's 65. So I know angle 3 is also 65 because it is vertical. Okay, I have this angle here that's 75, so I automatically know angle 6 is also 75 because they are vertical. If this is 65, then 7 is also 65 because those are vertical. Now, I don't have any right angles in here. And I know there's no right angles because I don't see any of these corner symbols. So nothing that I find is going to be complementary. So everything else I find, I'm going to find through either vertical or supplementary. So right now I know that these two angles are supplementary. So if this angle is 65, then the other angle is 180 minus 65, or 115. If angle 1 is 115, angle 2 is also 115 because it's vertical to angle 1. If this angle is 75, then angle 4 is 105 because 75 and 105 adds to 180. If angle 4 is 105, then angle 5 is also 105 because they are vertical. And then same thing down here, if this angle is 65, I know this is 115 because they're supplementary, because this was also 65 and those are also supplementary. See how they add to 180 this way and 180 that way, which makes 9 also 115 because it's vertical to that angle. So it's actually easier than it looks. So just remember, take a deep breath and use what you know. Okay. In the next one, I do actually have a right angle symbol. This right here, I know this is 90. Therefore, I know 3 is 3 is not going to be 90 because I got a piece there. So this is 65. This is 65. Angle 2 is 65. So this is hard, maybe hard for you to see. So let me see if I can show you. If this angle is 90, then I know these two angles together also must be 90 because all three of these angles together make up this line right here. Okay, so it's also reversed. These two angles underneath, this angle marked 3 and this angle marked 65, those are also supplementary because they make up this line on the bottom side. So if one angle is 65, that leaves 115 for angle 3. And then if one angle is 90 and one angle is 65, I added wrong. That's 155 minus 180 minus the 180 leaves me with 25 for this piece here. Okay, so I can kind of figure out my way around those things. Sorry, wrong button didn't want to work there. Everything else is pretty much things we've already done or don't really need to get that difficult right now. So let's look at this last picture together. Okay. Now, if this angle right here is 30, what's angle 2? 30. Why is it 30? Because they're vertical. Good. If this angle is 30, what is angle 1? 150. Why? Because they're supplementary. So what's angle 3? 150. Why? Because those angles are vertical. Okay, over here, this angle's 90, therefore this angle must be 90 because they're vertical. Therefore 6 must be 90 because they're supplementary. So this together must be 90, so if this is 25, then this is 65. Just filling that in. If this is 60, angle 7 is also 60 because they're vertical. If this is 60, angle 9 is 120 because they are supplementary, and also angle 8 because those are vertical. All right, that's it. You finished your second to last week of 7th grade. One more week. Like I said, hang in there. You can do it. And we will hopefully see you in our Google Meet on Friday. Remember, it's not mathematical. We just come in, say a quick hello, and then we play a game. This week, the students in the Google Meet last week requested we do the scavenger hunt again. So we will be doing a scavenger hunt again for Friday's Google Meet. So I will see you, or hope to see you, at 10 a.m. on Friday. Bye.